Hello, my name's Will Troughton. I'm curator of photography here at the National Library of Wales, and today I'd like to talk about some of the recent acquisitions that we've had in at the library. I'm going to start with these two prints here. They're both of lifeboat crews, this one at Moelfre and this one at Conwy. They're both the work of Jack Lowe, and he's embarked on a project called the Lifeboat Project, which aims to photograph every lifeboat crew in Great Britain. We already have some examples of his work for the crews of Mid and South Wales, and we've just added some for his work in North Wales as well. The second series of photographs I'd like to tell you about is this series here, or two examples of. It's a series called Yma o Hyd by Bruce Cardwell, and it seeks to document the community of Borth, a village about 6 miles north of Aberystwyth, which is very much threatened by climate change. And Bruce has set out to take portraits of the inhabitants of Borth with a view perhaps for keeping them for posterity, because perhaps in 50 years' time the village will be very different, if it even exists at all. Thirdly, I'd like to come on to the work of Nick Treharn. Nick has embarked on a project called 2020 Vision, and this is one example from it. It's the scorers at a cricket match between Llandeilo and Dyffryn. We have a further example of his work here, Mary Lloyd at Llangynwyd, taken in 2018. These are examples of work by Tony Charles, and he's undertaken a project to document the pioneers of Welsh pop. So we have people like Mike Stevens, but also Geraint Jarman, Hugh Jones, Heather Jones, Dewi Puss, and here, one of my personal favourites, Adiliai. This collection I feel is quite important. There is a lot of synergy between these portraits and the Sound and Moving Image Archive, which contains a lot of recorded works by these individuals and groups. However, it's not just new material that we have coming into the library. A lot of vintage photographs and older material comes in as well. This image here is from the Carla Carla collection. As you may know if you've seen the news, Carla Carla recently closed, and its photographic archive has come to the National Library of Wales. This is an interior view of the college. We have many of staff members and students and events associated with the college. Finally, I'd like to come on to the largest recent donation that we've had, which is Peter Davis's collection of Welsh houses and gardens. It's a collection of approximately 20,000 postcards, many of them pre-World War II and many even pre-World War I, that document all forms of habitation across the whole of Wales. You can see some examples here from Breconshire, and also these examples here from Denbighshire. There are examples from all of the counties of Wales, and it is really a unique and marvellous collection, and we're very pleased that Mr Davis chose to donate these to the National Library of Wales.